Hi everyone, welcome to Patty's Polish Corner. I am really excited to do this video. It's the Indy Nail Polish Tag, and I first saw it on Moon Baby Nails video, and she did a tag with peony nails, and it was really cool. Anyways, Tina kind of tagged everyone, and when I went over and watched peony nails, she said if you're interested in joining, in the tag, let her know in the comments. And I said I was thinking about it, and she said, oh, you should do it. And actually she's become a subscriber, and her video is really good. So I'll link both of those videos in the description box below. But for my tag, I contacted Guylene of Guylene 325 and asked her if she wanted to do the tag with me. And she said yes. I was very, very excited. And she said, and we should invite Frances from Dolfinchick Nails. So the three of us are doing the Indy nail polish tag. And so we're very excited about this. Now, for those of you who have no idea what an Indy nail polish is, it is an independent nail polish. I don't even know if you can call it a company, but they're made by independent nail polish makers. There we go. So it's not something that you're going to find mainstream or in drugstores or anything like that. It's people like you or me who decided that they want to make nail polish and sell it, and it's pretty cool. It's pretty exciting. So that's what Indy nail polish is. So there are some questions here to answer. So I'm going to take you over to my polish desk, and I have a small collection of Indies, not very big. Mostly I use gel nail polish, but I do have some Indies, and I love them, and they're just awesome, They are. They're really awesome. So anyways, so let's get into the questions. Okay, so let's start with the first question. And the first question was, what was my very first Indy polish that I purchased? These were the very first Indy polish. I purchased them all at once. I was addicted to watching swatch videos by 90 Lacquer. And these were from her 2016 Halloween collection. And I think I saw this one on her website, and maybe this one on her website just recently. This one is the Witching Hour, and it is a gorgeous black holographic. And I have it on a black swatch stick. But that is just, oh gosh, I love hollow and black, and the Witching Hour. I love Halloween. And then this one is called Cauldron Fire. And this one is a black jelly base, and it's got orange glitters. And it looks like it's got some holographic glitters in there too. Look at that little color shift in there. And I put this one over black because that's what I would wear it over, a black, to build up the color really quickly. So I love that. And then this one, I don't know, I just threw it in my card. This one's Black Cat Optional. And this one is a cute little Halloween topper. And here it is right here. It's got holographic glitters in it, some black glitter and some white glitter. So I like this one a lot. You can use this over a lot of different colors, not just for Halloween. So these were my first Indy polishes that I purchased. The next question is, what's an Indy lemming that you want but never been able to get your hands on? Hard question. I lost the name of it, so I don't remember. I just remember what it looked like. I think I had seen it maybe on Instagram, but I couldn't find a picture of it anywhere ever. But I remember I didn't buy it because it was like reasonably priced, but the shipping was almost as much as the bottle, and I just couldn't, I couldn't do that. However, I will show you what it looked like. Yeah, how am I going to do that without a picture? Madam Glam came out with a smoothie collection, and this one is Princess Drink, covered with China Glaze's fairy dust. This is exactly what that that Indy polish that I didn't get looks like. And I was so excited. But yeah, I was really sad for a long time because I just like lusted after that picture, and I just kept looking at it, and it was just so beautiful. And apparently I liked it so much that I just like jumped on Princess Drink because I'd never seen a polish like this at all. And I'm thinking, oh, I think that's close. And I think if I put fairy dust out over it, it'll look just like the polish that I always wanted. Okay, the next one is name an indie polish you bought because of YouTuber. And I would have to say that would be these two from Moonshine Manny. Again, Halloween collection. From this year, I'm like a sucker for Halloween polishes, and I didn't even know she had her own polish. I hadn't watched a swatch video from her channel in quite a while, and then I was watching, I'm like, Moonshine Manny, is that your own nail polish? So I bought a couple bottles. I don't know. I just did. So this one, these ones are phrases from Halloween movies that she liked. And this one's I'm the Ghost with the Most, which for the life of me, I cannot remember what Halloween movie that is from. But here is a swatch of it. It's clear, but it's holographic clear. Maybe it's holographic micro glitters. I don't know. And it's got a bunch of other different kind of glitters, and it's a really cool topper. And the other one is Younger in the Morning, which is from, oh my gosh, what the heck is that movie from? Hocus Pocus. That's from Hocus Pocus. And it is a jelly-based purple with a bunch of different color holographic glitters in there. And so I kind of really liked this one. I'm obviously a purple person. The next question is, what type of indie polish is my favorite and least favorite? For favorite, I would have to say anything with holographic glitter in it. Oh my God, I'm just like such a huge holographic glitter fan. Totally. And then least favorite, I would think anything with those weird little bar glitters that look like little furs or weird stuff in there. I don't like those I don't like those really thin little bar glitters. I really just don't. I don't know. It's just me. I just don't like those. And then which, name an indie polish that fits your personality to a T. And I would have to say my Braves Diva Nails right here. And this one is called 643 Double Play. And this one is a gorgeous multichrome. Look at that sparkly glitter. I completely love this sparkly glitter, and it's purple and blue and it's shimmery, and oh my gosh, I just love this one. And this one reminds me of mermaids and all this stuff, and I'm totally a mermaid. That's what I am. I'm a mermaid, and this is my mermaid polish, and I just love it. Love, love, love it. That one's kind of hard because I haven't looked at a bunch of indie brands. Really, it says, what indie polish company do you wish you owned every bottle or the collection from? And it's like a runner-up between Braves Diva Nails because a lot of her polishes water marble and they stamp. But 90 Lacquer has glitter in tons and tons of glitter. So tough choice, but because of the glitter content, I think I might choose 90 Lacquer. Okay, the next one would be name an indie polish that physically made your jaw drop when you saw it. Well, most of my indie collection did, but you know what? I'm gonna go with this one for Christmas. This is a Braves Diva nail polish, and this is Peppermint Bark in the Park. My gosh, does this not look like peppermint bark? I mean, completely like peppermint bark. It just makes me want to go eat an entire bag of peppermint bark. This is completely awesome. And oh my gosh, this is just like perfect Christmas nail polish. And I love, love, love this one. The next question is, what do you look for the most when you purchase an Indy? Perfect formula, amazing color, affordability. Well, if I am buying from like known Indy people, I would expect that the formula is good. Obviously, Indies are pretty expensive, so affordability is probably out the door. And I would say amazing color. I look for an amazing color. I will buy an Indy polish if it is amazing and I love it. And I don't have to pay just as much in shipping, obviously. The last question is, what direction would you like to see Indy polish go in? I think matching sets would be completely awesome. I like a mix and match mani, you know, like I've got a couple of glitter fingers here and then some plain ones and some nail art. So I would like, you know, like matching sets, like this one in a trio with a matching red metallic or green metallic, or throw in a couple of stamping polishes that would match it as well, you know, or, you know, like anything that would be matching, like this one, and maybe having a matching solid or some kind of, obviously this has glitter in it, you know, like glitter toppers, you know, glitters, creams, something you can stamp with. That would be like remarkable, little collections like that, so you can mix and match and do some really creative stuff. That's what I would like to see. So that's it for my video. I will link my Indy brands in the description box below where you can purchase them, their websites. Brave's Diva Polish is kind of awesome. So all of her information will be down there. She does swatches and stuff like that, so she also has a Facebook group, so you might be interested in that. I'll link that in the description box below as well. And thank you all for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And I guess that's it for now. Bye for now.